channel. As you can tell by the title, today I'm doing a review on my first YSL bag, and I'm so excited. Well, okay, so I already opened it, but I'm going to reopen it for the purpose of this video, so that y'all can see how it came and all that good stuff. So keep on watching. Okay, so it came in this bag. I mean, not bag, but it came in this box like this. Nothing too spectacular, just regular box. Oh my gosh, stop texting. Dang. Anyways, it came in this black box. When you open it, it comes with a bag. Also, I'll probably keep the purse in this bag so that it won't get dusty or whatever. And it has all these cards. I'm not sure what these, I don't know why my voice just got hoarse out of nowhere. But it came with these cards. I don't know what these cards are, to be honest. Literally not even in English. I got the Monogram envelope bag, and I got it from the website called Farfetch, which sells like a bunch of designer stuff. I seen it on cheaper on another website, but for like $8.90 or something like that, and then when I went back, it was sold out, and I was like, damn, I really missed a good opportunity. But so Farfetch had it for $1,190. And I don't even think they added tax. Actually, I don't think it was no tax, and the shipping was free also. So that was a good thing about that website. So yeah, so it comes in this little bag, which is a very cute bag, to put your purse in, keep it in, to keep it in good condition. And this is the bag. It's so cute. Like, yes. I was so excited. This bag smells so good. It smells like genuine, real leather. The leather is so soft. I just love it. Like, you can tell this is a luxury bag for sure. I originally wanted the other bag. I forgot the name of it, but it's like bigger, and it doesn't have the envelope look to it. But that one, I was just like, nah, I'll probably get that when when I'm able to. That one was more money, so I thought this was like a good bag to start out with, because I don't really buy designer bags for real. Like, I buy some cute little bags from like Pretty Little Thing. I buy cute little bags from Fashion Nova, Aldo, stuff like that. Like, I still love low-end bags. There are definitely some cute low-end bags, but I just wanted like a good luxury bag. So this is like a first good bag. And so I love this gold thing. Like, you can wear it across the shoulder, or you can wear it like this, like if you want to hold it the short way, which I feel like that is so cute. Like, it's very versatile, has a lot of versatility to it. And when you open the bag, it just has like Saint Laurent Paris on the inside of the purse. It also has a card holder, which I think is so cute. It has a card holder which has Saint Laurent on it too. And the purse is very nice. Like, I don't like my bags to be overstuffed and heavy anyway, so I love bags. I mean, so I didn't really need anything like outrageously big. Like, my phone can fit in here nicely. and I can put my cards in there and I'm good to go. Like, this is a nice bag. I don't think y'all can see it, but it's so nice, so nice. I'm probably gonna be wearing this bag to death. Like, this gonna be my favorite bag from now on. It's so cute. I can put my lip gloss, I can put my phone, I can put I think I can get a lot of stuff in this little bag, for real. It's actually really little, but it's perfect for me because I don't like I said, I don't want to stuff my bag with a million different things. And like, when you go on errands, you can just have your phone, your card, your lip gloss, your keys. I wonder if my keys can fit in there or if they like too bulky. But I think that would be like the max. My keys, my phone, lip gloss, and my cards. That would be the only thing that I would actually probably be able to fit in there. But that's the only thing that I like to carry around as I go. I'm gonna go anyway. Like, I don't like to carry heavy things at all. So yeah, if you're looking to buy this bag, I definitely recommend it. It's a really nice bag. It's worth the money. Well, I think it could be a little cheaper. But at the end of the day, you pay for what you get. It's luxury, nice leather, it looks fancy. So I mean, you actually gotta pay for what you get, to be honest, because nothing about this bag screams cheap. Like, it looks so cute. Yeah, so hopefully once I become rich, I can, you know, add on to my collection. But for right now, I'm about to wear this bag out. To be honest, like, but yeah, I hope y'all, I think that's pretty much it as far as the bag. If you all have any questions, you can comment down below, ask me any questions. So I hope you all subscribe to my channel. I hope you all like this video, and see you all in my next video. Bye.